Okay, if you're a person that suffers from dry heels or cracked feet, definitely this product is something I would recommend. I had a crack, I don't know if you can see it, in this area right there. That's probably the scar or whatever underneath the new skin. But this heel was cracked for the longest time. In the winter, it would get so dry and it would actually crack open to where you could see, I don't know, a layer or whatever the case is. But I'm doing whatever I can to try to open it, even though I know I shouldn't. But this product has helped my heel heal up fairly quickly within the last 4 days. I've been using this product for 4 nights straight. It's part of my new nightly routine. I'll shower, I'll pumice this area as pretty much gentle hard as I can to get rid of the dead skin and surrounding areas. And then after my shower, I will lather up my feet with the product. And this is my result after 4 days. But mind you, I've had a crack in this area for more than some odd months. So definitely look into this product.
This is O'Keeffe's Healthy Feet Foot Cream for extremely dry, cracked feet. It is a 3.2 ounce container. Again, this is for extremely dry, cracked feet.